putting on the 6 dozens now, and our first incubation, egg incubation, we had 20 of them. They're underneath, 20 of them which are fertile, and then 12 of them are infertile. So I'll just take them off because they won't hatch. And then the 6 dozens are in here, and part of them are in the bottom. So I'll be continuing the incubation now. That was 12 days on the first batch, and then the second batch starts today. I can hear them beeping. This one here is already out. This one here, it's already out in the egg, and some of them are still cracking, so which is good. It's day 21 of the hatching. Never mind that one because I just switch it off. So they're there inside, plenty of them already. Let's try to open it up and see how many are they. Okay, just switch it off quickly, just quickly. Okay. Whoa, at the moment there's still plenty, still hatching, still new, so we don't want to disturb them. Let's go on. Because I don't want to lower the temperature straight away, so they won't get shocked by the cold air. But looking so good, like it.